With better than real grass, you can create a putting green in your own backyard and enjoy the game of golf in the comfort of your home. Our artificial grass is designed to withstand any weather condition and provide you with a consistent golfing experience all year round. With better than real grass, you can practice your swing anytime, anywhere, rain or shine. Our artificial turf is designed to look and feel just like real grass so that you can enjoy the same golfing experience as on an actual course. Our turf is soft to the touch and provides an even playing surface for all types of shots. Our artificial turf is built to last and requires minimal maintenance, no watering or mowing required, plus, it's resistant to wear and tear so that you can enjoy a realistic golfing experience without worrying about damage or upkeep. Contact us and get a free sample.